Looks like a little busy in Higashiyama today. We've got tourists, and it looks like there's foreign tourists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buses. That's it. The season was upon us. Oh, an emergency in 2 weeks. Lots of masks. Huh. Out of here. Sorry.
In 500 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Whoa, this is so cool. Oh, wow. I feel like a rocket man. This game is amazing. Damn, it's good. Wow, it's taken me a long time to come here. Must have come here when I first came to Kanazawa, but I've forgotten all about it. Just love dams. Dams, Sakura Square Evacuation Center. Wonder what it's for. Earthquakes. Certainly not tsunami. Love this about Japan. Anywhere you can plant rice, you know? Just get it ready. Another voyage of discovery. See a little family having a picnic over there. They kind of looked at me thinking, oh, Gaikobuja. Okay, what can I see from here? Besides dead trees. There it is. Too cool. Finally made it back up here. Huh. So you're what controls us, huh? I love it. Not as good as Karapira, but still has its appeal. Doubt if I let a foreigner like myself see it like this, but always give it a try, you know. Yeah, why not? Through the trees. These are all going to just go crazy in a moment. Or through these. See, you can actually walk right out here. This is just incredible. Damn. There's a viewing platform. Doesn't get better than this. Damn. Yeah. Damn, it's good. I like a dam. Every so often. What does it say here? Edo period. What? Whoa. It's a historic site. It goes back to the Edo period. There was a gunpowder factory up here. This is too funny. There were caves going up in and out of the tunnel to carry earth and sand. And they shifted the dam. It used to be 630 meters down, so they just moved it up here. Dams are pretty difficult to move. What they mean, we rebuilt a new dam. You don't move it. Always struggle with English. Walking across the dam and back the side of the dam. I was hoping this little gate would be open because I was all for walking right down to the bottom. Bugger. Just the dam. So now I know where I am. So that's the 340 going across there. Trusty Beamer. The little workhorse. Flash the ass off this poor little car, which just keeps coming back to me. Almost.
300 meters.
Okay, I can do a right 300 meters. This is slight right. Right now, left.
Turn left. You will arrive at your destination.
This is my bridge. That's what I've come to see. Let's hit this. Okay, let's go across it.
You have arrived.
I think it's quite nice. There's a tunnel. Oh, it's an old one. I love it. Roads are bloody fantastic. It's around the river. Oh. Well, I'm going to tank of gas. I can go 600 kilometers. So I don't care where we go through. Let's see what happens. Yeah, let's just go for it.
In 400 meters, turn left. Head southwest. In 300 meters, turn right.
I love this area. I love this.
Head west. In 600 meters, turn right.
Gee, it really wants me to go right all day long.
Turn left. Turn left. Turn right.
Across the bridge. Yeah, I'm finding bridges. Whoa.
Head southwest.
This is the same. It's the Archaeology Foundation. Whoa. Start the loop. Oh, this is the last. Watch out for the trees that have fallen over, right? And good luck if you get lost. Bound to be no cell coverage here. It's either Lawson's or a
In
convenience store.
200 meters, turn right.
This is civilization. We're down to 7-Eleven, so it can't be civilization. Some of these houses are just Yeah, I'm back on civilization, a main road. Yeah. Now that's a bridge. That's a railway line, is it? And I have no idea what's up the top